हेलो फ्रेंड, मैं हूं तारिक जमाल और आप लोग देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद तारिक। फ्रेंड, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है स्टेयर स्पेसिफिकेशन। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Number one, thickness of steps. The thickness of steps depends on the material used. Concrete step 25 to 50 mm, that is 1 to 2 inches for precast threads, up to 150 mm, that is 6 inches for cast in place. Wooden steps 25 to 50 mm, that is 1 to 2 inches. Steel steps 6 to 12 mm, that is 0.5 to 0.5 inches, typically with anti-slip finishes. Number 2, thread steps depth. The horizontal part where the foot rests standard 250 to 300 mm, that is 10 to 12 inches. Residential 260 mm, that is 10.25 inches as common. Commercial often requires 280 to 300 mm, that is 11 to 12 inches. And number 3, riser step height. The vertical part between threads standard 150 to 190 mm, that is 6 to 7.5 inches. Residential 175 mm, that is 7 inches is common. Commercial or public generally 150 mm, that is 6 inches for easier access to be used. इसके बाद चौथे नंबर पर है width of the staircase. Minimum residential के लिए 900 mm, that is 36 inches. Commercial और public के लिए 1200 to 1500 mm, that is 48 to 60 inches. And comfortable standard 1000 to 12 mm, that is 40 to 48 inches. 5 नंबर पर जो है वो है लेंथ of the staircase. The total length depends on the staircase height, floor to floor, and the riser height. Formula to calculate number of riser is equal to total height divided by riser height, and length of the staircase is equal to number of threads multiplied by thread depth. So key consideration, सबसे पहले ensure the stair dimension comply with local building codes. Handrails and the landings may be required depending on the staircase design. Anti-slip finishes or nicing edges should be included for safety. So thank you very much for watching my video. इंशाल्लाह हम बहुत जल्द नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।